How to install the Harvia Spirit Heater. Check safety distances. Check the safety distances from the manual before installing the Harvia Spirit into your sauna. Install the mounting panel. Securely fix the back panel for the heater to the wall. Place your heater. Place your Harvia Spirit onto the back panel brackets and attach it securely with the screws provided. Load rounded stones. Load the heater with rounded heater stones, starting with the largest stones. Install the stone cage. Securely fasten the stone cage to the heater. Connect heater power. Only a certified electrician must connect the heater to the power source. Inbuilt device for safe saunas. The Spirit features an inbuilt safety device ensuring safe sauna sessions. Wi-Fi-enabled electric heater. The Harvia Spirit has an optional Wi-Fi upgrade. This enables you to control all aspects of your sauna from the My Harvia app.